Welcome to the Advanced WordPress Mastery Kit Chapter 20. Writing Settings. In this video tutorial we are going to take a look at the writing settings, step by step. So let's get started. From your WordPress dashboard, go to Settings and select Writing. Here select your default post category, default post format, default editor for all users. Classic editor or block editor, allow users to switch editors. Yes or no. Then post via email, mail server, login name, password, default mail category, then update services, that is when you publish a new post, WordPress automatically notifies the following site update services. For more updates about this, you can see update services from here. Once done, click on Save Changes. So this is all about writing settings. Thank you for watching. Please proceed to Chapter 21. Reading Settings. Inside that video, we are going to take a look at the reading settings, step by step. See you in the next tutorial.